But first to Quebec, and a worrying situation is unfolding in Quebec as the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases is rising in the province. It's just a few days into the new school year there, and dozens of students and teachers are testing positive. Laura McQuillan is on the story for us. And Laura, what is the latest in Quebec?
Well, Chris, everyone's watching this province, the first to reopen its schools, and now we're seeing this spike there. So the latest today, 175 new cases of COVID-19 reported. Just last night, the province came out with a list of schools that already have COVID-19 cases, nearly 50 schools on that list. And that's if they have just one, but many have multiple cases. What health officials are saying there is there are no school outbreaks, but even though most of these teachers or students were infected outside of schools, dozens have been sent into self-isolation. So 1 week into the school year, and they're already back to learning from home. Now, this is coming as well as bars reopen, people go back to work, life gets back to normal. But this holiday weekend, Premier François Legault has issued a wake-up call to those in Quebec. He says even though people might be getting COVID fatigue, it's really important that they follow those guidelines to keep each other safe. Take a listen to what he said.
Of course, we have a long weekend, so there'll be a lot of gatherings. I think what I'm asking all Quebecers is to be careful, to keep 2 meters, wear a mask. There's not a specific problem in bars or in some places. It's really everywhere. People have to be careful. I understand that some are tired about the situation after 6 months, but we have to be careful.
And Quebec says it has more changes coming if more lockdowns are needed, Chris. We heard from their health minister yesterday that they're planning some new rules that will come in next week, or at least they'll announce them next week. And those would allow them to sort of put restrictions in place in different areas that are particularly hard hit without locking down the entire province. So that's a warning of what could happen if people don't bring that behaviour under control. And they are saying at that provincial level that this Labour weekend is going to be critical, especially as the rest of the country looks ahead to reopening its schools as well.
It certainly is. Thanks for this today, Laura.